Good morning students. In previous video you have seen different mode of feeding in animals, and there are different types of animals which show different mode of feeding. Just like mosquito, in previous video I have discussed that it is a blood sucker, or we can say mosquito. In mosquito the feeding method is sucking. Now I will discuss about the next topic of chapter 2, means nutrition in animals, and the topic is digestive system of human. You know about the process of digestion, means digestion is a process in which larger components of food break down into smaller components of food with the help of enzymes. Or digestive juice, means digestion is a process in which larger components of food break down into smaller components of food with the help of enzymes. Or in short, we can write this process that larger component of food and in presence of enzyme break into smaller component of food. So it is digestion. If you see the human digestive system, then you will get the digestive system of human being is a more complex system. And started in first video I have discussed that the digestive system of human being, it starts or begins from mouth or oral cavity, means mouth is also called oral cavity, and in that anus, means the structure which is connected to the digestive system of human being is called alimentary canal, and it starts from mouth and in that anus. There are different parts of alimentary canal. First is mouth, second is esophagus, third is stomach, fourth is small intestine, and large intestine, and last is anus. So these are the part of human alimentary canal, or it is also called alimentary canal is also called digestive tract. So mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and last is anus. In human being, the digestion of food is start from mouth or oral cavity. You know that when we take any type of food item in mouth, so the process of taking food in body is called ingestion. The process of taking food in the body is called ingestion. And when we take the food, you know that in mouth or oral cavity there are different structures are found which help in digestion of food. So first I will discuss about the mouth, and there are different parts. In mouth, you know that teeth are present, second is tongue, and third is salivary gland which release saliva. So first I will discuss about the teeth. If you see the teeth of human being, then you will get that human being have different types of teeth, means there are two types of teeth. First teeth, which is called milk teeth, and the milk teeth in which grow in human being from the age of 6 months to 6 to 8 years. 6 years. So this is called milk teeth, which is grow in a baby after 6 months up to 6 years. And the second set of teeth is called permanent teeth, means it is the first set of teeth which grow in a baby from 6 months to 6 years is called milk teeth, and when the milk teeth fall off मीन्स जैसे ही ये ब्रेक हो जाते हैं तो then there is growth of permanent teeth. So if you see the structure of permanent teeth of human being, so if you know the dental formula of human being, then you can easily identify the different types of teeth and their number which are found in your mouth or oral cavity. The dental formula of human is 2123 upon 2123. In dental formula, two teeth will be incisor, then one canine, two premolar and three molar. So this is the arrangement of teeth, means there are four types of teeth: incisor, canine, premolars and molar. Now we will use the dental formula and calculate the number of teeth. You know that dental formula is dental formula of human is 21 this is the dental formula of adult human being. If you arrange, then two teeth will incisor, one canine, two premolar and three molar. And same condition in lower jaw, two incisor, one canine, two premolar and three molar. This indicates the upper jaw and this indicates the lower jaw. How we can calculate the total number of teeth present in the oral cavity or mouth of a human being? So first we add, and the addition is different from mathematical rules. 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, 2 1 3, 2 5 and 3 8, and 2 1 2 3, 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 8, multiplied by 2, that is 16, and here multiplied by 2, that is 16. So 16 teeth in upper jaw and 16 teeth in lower jaw. So total number of teeth is 16 plus 16 equal to 32. And these teeth perform different functions. If you see that incisor, the function of incisor teeth is cutting. incisor teeth is used for cutting, then canine for tearing. Premolars for grinding and molar teeth for fine grinding. So there are four types of teeth. First is used for cutting, second for tearing, third for grinding, and last for fine grinding. So these are about the teeth. The next structure which is found in our oral cavity or mouth is tongue. If you see the structure of tongue, then tongue is a muscular structure which is found in our mouth, and human tongue has different regions which indicate different types of taste. So tongues can identify the taste with the help of taste bud. Here the upper part, या फिर in your mouth, the last end, that is the posterior end, indicate the bitter taste, and here this region indicates the sour taste, and the tip region indicates the sweet taste, and this region indicates salty taste. So this is about the structure of tongue. Now I will discuss about the function of tongue. Function of tongue. First, tongue help in speaking or talking. The second function, that is tongues help in tasting different types of taste. Third, tongues help in swallowing of food. Swallowing of food. And the last function, which is a major function, that tongues help in mixing of saliva in food. So it is all about the function of tongue. The first function, tongues help in the speaking or talking. Second, tongue help in Tasting of different types of taste means sweet taste, sour taste, bitter taste, and salty taste. थर्ड फंक्शन टंग हेल्प इन स्वेलिंग ऑफ फूड, मतलब फूड आइटम्स को निगलने में भी टंग्स हेल्प करती है. एंड लास्ट एंड फाइनल फंक्शन दैट इज हेल्प इन मिक्सिंग ऑफ सलाइवा इन फूड, मीन्स द फूड आइटम विच आर ईटेन बाय अस tongues mix saliva to make the food item more diffusible. So it is all about the function of tongues. Thank you.